Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your work relationships with Zoom, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding the importance of work relationships is essential for a productive environment. Zoom has become a vital tool for maintaining and rebuilding these relationships. To start, assess the current state of your relationships with colleagues. Identify any challenges or issues that may have arisen during remote work. Take a moment to reflect on your communication styles and how they may have changed. Next, set a time to reach out to your colleagues individually. Schedule one-on-one Zoom meetings to connect in a more personal manner. Prepare for these meetings by listing key points you want to discuss. Be open and honest about any challenges you've faced. Encourage your colleagues to share their experiences as well. During the call, practice active listening. This shows your colleagues that you value their thoughts and feelings. Use Zoom features like screen sharing to discuss projects or issues visually. This can enhance understanding and collaboration. After your one-on-one meetings, consider organizing a team check-in. Create a relaxed atmosphere for open discussion. Start with light topics to break the ice before addressing more serious ones. Encourage everyone to share their successes and challenges alike. Follow up these meetings with a recap email summarizing key points. Incorporate regular virtual coffee breaks to foster informal connections. This helps to humanize interactions beyond work tasks. Utilize breakout rooms for smaller group discussions. This can encourage teamwork and strengthen bonds among team members. Make an effort to recognize the contributions of others during meetings. Acknowledge achievements and efforts to build a supportive environment. Maintain consistent communication by sending regular updates via email or chat. This ensures everyone feels included and informed. If conflicts arise, address them promptly and professionally. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.